Hi.
So, what was it? I think it was like 14 years ago. I used to work at this restaurant. And on Fridays, I would work probably until 11 or something. And after hours, like nothing, like a lot of stuff wouldn't be open. Like a lot of the places I'd want to eat wouldn't be open.
Mm-hmm.
This is back when I used to go to restaurants more regularly. So, me and Justin, you know Justin.
I do.
So me and Justin, we found this Indian restaurant that was open like wicked late.
Mm-hmm.
So we went there, and the guy was like, "Welcome," right? Welcome. And I usually don't take recommendations because I don't want anyone's opinion. Like, let me just figure this out very slowly. But so this guy was like, "Hey, this is what I recommend. You should get the manchurian." And I was like, all right, let's do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it blew my mind. Dude, it blew my mind.
Wow.
You don't know. I don't think you've ever had the manchurian from a restaurant or ever, other than what I just made for the video. It was, I cannot describe. It's just, it's changed my life. My life's changed. 14 years later, I'm a whole different person. And now I made the video. So, I'll say this. So in this video, there are 3 different kinds of veg balls, right? Veggie balls, whatever you call them.
Mm-hmm.
The way I made the manchurian in the video is not at all how he made it at the restaurant. So you can pretty much make the veg ball any way you want and then use different sauces and gravies to mix and match as your heart desires. Which of these 3? So it was, we made the manchurian, we made the 65 sauce, which it's just, okay, before we get into what we like and don't like, I think everybody who's watching this who's like, oh, I'm going to make some of this badass food myself, right? Mm-hmm. I'm competent in the kitchen. I should just make it happen. I think you should get your keys and your wallet, get in the car, drive to the grocery store. Keep driving. Drive past that grocery store. Go to your nearest Indian restaurant that has any variation of this. And in some form or fashion, you have to, if you've never had some sort of kofta ball, some sort of fried, like minced veggie situation with some insane gravy, you have to try it. You have to blow your mind before you make it. I don't even think you need to make it. I think you just need to get some Uber Eats. It's not sponsored by some Indian restaurant somewhere you've never heard of. Man, that restaurant that I had, the Manchurian that changed my life, it was there for probably, I don't know, I saw it there for like 10 years, and then it's not there anymore. Let's cry.
Okay.
You don't.
I just cried.
That was a quick tear. You drive past that tear, you just kept going. Dude, I think if you've never had any of this, you should go buy it and then become possessed by the magic. We call it Flavortown, right?
Yeah.
How often do we use that phrase in a day, let alone a week? All the time, aren't we always talking about Flavortown?
Yes.
Because flavor is what these recipes are. These recipes bring Flavortown. I feel like there's a portion of people who are going to watch this video who they want to know about Flavortown. The keys are in their hand. They're ready to go. And then there's other people who already know about. They were born in Flavortown. F is their middle name. Like, they searched this shit. They knew what they were looking for. They were like, what is this? What's this bitch talking about? I know Flavortown. They're going to look at these recipes and be like, there's no Flavortown. I will bring Flavortown. And I encourage everyone to bring Flavortown. Yeah, this is like a watered down Flavortown. We're not even We have to build the muscles. We have to make endurance. Like, our body can't even handle Flavortown. Right? Doesn't it feel like there's still room?
I can hang.
Don't you feel like we always try to bring the noise with flavor, but it still feels like there's so much further to go? Or do you feel like you're maxing out?
I do okay, but there is so much more.
Dude, there's
There's
so
always
much.
more.
There's more, and I think that these like the sauce, oh man, just putting like mountains of ginger and garlic into the grated veggies, it's insane. This is pure Flavortown. I don't know which one was my favorite. The Manchurian, even though that inspired me to make this video, my version, not the store-bought, not the restaurant made, my Manchurian is weak. But these recipes, they're not for the faint at heart. Get it? Okay. Peace.